Welcome back, everybody. We're back with a 2012 Nissan Quest SL. This is a 2-owner unit. This vehicle has absolutely not a speck of rust. 69,000 original miles. Perfect Carfax certification. Loaded up. And it's ready to go, folks. Dual panel sunroof. Power rear gates. Factory DVD. Big alloys, nice tires, power side view doors. Let's check it out. Got the bucket second row, fold away third row. Heated seats, auxiliary line in, satellite radio, triple zone climate. 69,000 original miles, folks. Perfect Carfax certification. Guaranteed credit approval is going to be available on this vehicle. And this is going to be a $795 starting down payment. This is a 2012 SL, loaded up, perfect Carfax, and a warranty is included. That's going to be 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. That's the Das Cleveland way. We're here, 5333 Lorraine Avenue. Corner of 53rd and Lorraine. Starting down $795, guaranteed credit approval. See you soon.